Hi friends, hope you all are fine and good. In this video, I will show you creative art of seashell. In this video, you will see seashell flowers. I really hope that you will like it. So first of all, do subscribe my channel and must press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. Creating flowers from seashells is a beautiful and creative way to blend nature and art. These DIY seashell flowers are perfect for home decor, gifts, or even unique event decorations. Each piece is a tribute to the sea, carrying a rustic, beachy charm while showcasing your artistic touch. Basic seashell flowers material needed medium size seashells, similar sizes, a small round shell or bead for the flower center, strong glue like E6000 or hot glue, cardboard or wooden base, and paint. These are very easy to make. Seashell flowers for home decor. You can use these flowers for home decor. Seashell flowers are beautiful handcrafted decorative pieces made from natural seashells shaped and arranged to resemble blooming flowers. These unique art pieces blend the charm of the ocean with the elegance of floral designs, making them perfect for coastal themed or nature inspired interiors. Each petal is carefully selected and shaped from real seashells, giving the flowers a delicate organic look. The natural hues of the shells, ranging from creamy whites to soft pinks and sandy beiges, add a soothing peachy vibe to any space. They can be placed in vases, shadow boxes, or used in wall hangings, table centerpieces, and rails. Perfect for living room, bedrooms, bathrooms, or even outdoor patios, seashell flowers bring a touch of the sea indoors, adding a serene and art to your home decor. Bring the beauty of the ocean into your home with exquisite seashell flowers, a stunning fusion of nature's art and human creativity. These handcrafted floral arrangements are made entirely from real seashells, carefully selected from coastal shores and transformed into delicate, lifelike blooms. Each piece is a testament of craftsmanship, patience, and the enchanting elegance of the sea. Every flower is thoughtfully constructed using individual seashells as petals, giving the illusion of a blooming flower captured in time. The shells, with their natural textures and colors, add a soothing and earthy aesthetic that complements both traditional and modern interiors. Whether in soft ivory, pale, coal, sandy, beige, or ocean pearl tones, the colors remain understated yet elegant, evoking calm and tranquility in any setting. These decorative seashell flowers are versatile and timeless. They can be arranged in ceramic or glass vases to create a coastal themed centerpieces for a dining or coffee table. They can also be added to wall art, mirrors, wreaths, or shadow boxes, offering a gentle oceanic charm to bedrooms, living rooms, bathrooms, and even covered patios or balconies. So I really hope that you will like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.